Good morning, everyone. Happy NFP Friday. Sorry on the late start. I did get a little paper cut or whatever. My finger. So let me see if I have a hydrocolloid smart bandage, so if that's any good. But happy NFP Friday. We're giving away 7 My Funded Teachers 50K accounts for 75K subscribers. That'll happen later in the stream. I'll put out a form. Just put on this bandage. Hope people behave themselves today. All right. That's good. What a week, right? I mean, the whole range was pretty much was made on Tuesday, and then you can kind of know, yeah, it's NFP week, and you know it's not going to be good action. Literally have not one trade this week on eval yesterday. It ended up being a loss. I mean, I probably could have managed it better, was in profit for a bit, but c'est la vie. Today's NFP, we'll see what happens. Just look at the hourly, it was very ugly, right? Let's see here. How do you enter the giveaway later in the stream? I'll put out a Google form. Let's get this consistency. Good morning. Can't hold your inner gambler. Good luck, brother. ICT is yelling. Why is he yelling? He's saying people gamble today. A good thing. People need to be yelled at, I guess. No matter what I do, though, like, the chat's always going to tell me I'm wrong about something. Or what was it? I hope that people are behave today. Yesterday, or not on their best behavior. About let's see here, Tesla. Don't we have news at 10 today? Oh no, we have FOMC Waller speaking at 11. I physically had a reaction to that just now. Like my stomach hurts. I don't know. Like, ew. People are wild, though. I don't know, I'll fix my lighting. When people say that I look too yellow, I don't know, bro. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. My hair is like lighter in person. I don't know what to tell you. You can look at my Instagram. I don't care. I don't care. Or my voice is too deep. I don't know what to tell you. Women from New York, I think we have deeper voices, or I don't think it's that deep. Do you want me to speak in a higher voice, like for 2 hours? Pick me voice, like, okay, you guys, so like we're the fair value gap, or like, do you want me to add a vocal fry to it too while I'm at it? Like, that sound like Mickey Mouse up in here. We'll just do the whole thing as Mickey Mouse. Alright, you guys, so the open is in 2 minutes. It's actually now. The open is now. Bum bum bum. Bruh. We took sell side, I mean, we hit the bottom of the fair value gap, right? Isn't that what I had marked out? That's the thing that people fail to understand also, is like we've been just hanging around in the middle of this leg up, equilibrium of the range. Where the leg up really started. This is equilibrium. It's kind of makes sense that we're just chilling in this area right now. I think I did make my camera a little bit better, but whatever. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Don't diddle in the middle, yeah. There you go. She actually lost her mind. Exactly. I did. Britney Spears has a natural deep voice and she can jump about too. Yeah. Okay, Paul, I got you. It's funny. That's what he's ranting about. Oh, yay. Luciana says, Tanya, I passed the My Funded Futures eval account that I won on the giveaway a week or so ago. Thank you. I'm so happy. Yay, that makes me happy. Now go slower than what you were doing there. Just get to payout. Don't rush the process. And then you can tag me when you get a payout. Black suits me, that's funny. One second. Go short, people say. Go short, go long. I don't know, we're really in this range. We took sell side already, so I would have liked NFP to manipulate to the upside, really. I would have loved NFP to manipulate it up here to go lower, but can't always get what we want. We're probably going higher today. Let's see, are there any like breaker blocks on the 5? Yes is plus 0.2%, and Q is negative 0.3 or something like that. Yeah. So let's see here. And this is EQ with range for ES now. So they can totally go for this buy side. What is your strategy? I have videos on it. How's my new furniture? Amazing, amazing. Leather couch and coffee table, side table, console table, 2 lamps. Something else I'm probably forgetting. I'm very happy. The couch is very comfortable. Yeah, you saw my Instagram. You can look at my Instagram story what it looks like. I also got a nice, amazing blanket and 2 pillows. A lot of simps in my chat. What can I do, bro? Can't ban them all. You're allowed 2 simp comments per live stream, okay? Then I give permission to my assistant to put you in timeout. I don't know what to do. People went crazy yesterday because I wore pink. What can I do, bro? I love how some people say, like, I get hate literally just, like, for who I am. It's like, her marketing strategy is this. And then and someone literally wrote, attractive girl speaks in motherly voice, trades ICT. And I'm like, so it's just how I look like in my voice, and that I already traded those concepts anyway. Yeah, that's totally my marketing strategy, bro. And for the first 9 months of this stream, I was using a $60 webcam and shitty lighting. And I don't even sell a fucking course, bro. And I already, you can tell I'm sassy today too. You can get some sassy Tanya today. I mean, honestly, probably in the future too, because I'm kind of like, meh. No more Mr. Nice Girl. No more Mrs. Nice Girl. I don't know what it's doing here. It's coming back into this 15-minute FEG that it made during NFP. We do have, is this still wick low? Yeah, it could come back to this wick low, actually. I'll do what I want. Don't tell me how to be. Don't be like that. I'll do whatever I want, whatever I feel like. I'm giving away, we're giving away 7 50K My Fun and Futures accounts. We need to pull back to short. Yeah, I guess so. But I don't know if they'll give it to you because it's NFP and it'd be like that sometimes, right? I would highlight this 2-minute FEG breaker. Well, it's 1 more minute until this is done, but that's probably what I would do because these 2 are attached here. Order block. This one kind of looks cleaner. Are you and Ryan dating? No, I don't have a boyfriend. I'm not dating anybody. I don't know why you guys think that. Can't have a boyfriend. I girl boss too hard. I girl boss too close to the sun. Bro, people be mad funny asking dumbass questions. I know. I mean, today's NFP, I'm reading the chat a bit more than usual. Maybe I shouldn't be. But I'd like to sometimes read it out loud so everybody can see how stupid the questions are sometimes. I'm not a fan of this literally just leaving these gaps going lower. Oh well. See how this 15-minute candle closes, but it's not really looking good. It's probably going to go for this. The first 15-minute candles of the day. It's just a very large drop. $200-point drop there. Love you, Tanya. You are a something teacher. You are my teacher. Okay. Now, Tanya, you liked it low-key. What did I like? I don't remember. You seem like you'd friend zone every man, LMAO. Didn't you want to be someone's friend first, though? There's only 2,000 people right here, so maybe I could talk, but what did I want to say? I don't want to say. Nah, I'm not gonna talk about that. There's a time and place for everything. Don't you know every successful person dates randoms in their fan base on a regular basis / sarcasm. I wanted to say, oh man, I actually don't think I'm gonna talk about it, but that's kind of funny. That is funny. Come on. Yo, Southern, you're going in timeout. What the fuck? Bro, you're in timeout for 24 hours. Someone wrote something even weirder. Alright, we're coming back into the 2-minute. 2-minute and breaker. Ideally, I'd want it to stay below this 50%. Lots of movement this morning, yeah. What's ES doing? ES much stronger. So let's say if you even entered here, which I wouldn't really enter the first candle. You put the stop there. That's literally a 56-point stop to target. Still 2R. Do you eat exotic foods? I don't know. Define exotic, bro. Anyway. Yeah, I wanted to type out what to do for the giveaway. Staying in the lower half, even at that 1 minute. So let's see if it ends up going here. It's a data low. What's ES looking like? Gotta make more money. Gotta get up, gotta make more money. No, it's never enough. 947. We'll mark out 950. I'm gonna do it right now. Okay. So let's think about that little trade that I had marked out. You short the midpoint of this, let's say. Let's say you put your stop like here, you target here. Yeah, you need like just 4 micros or so. I'll do that, you guys. I'm gonna enter that actually. It's respecting the bottom half. I think it should go lower, so I'm gonna take that trade. Gotta manage your own risk, by the way, but don't just follow what I do, please. It's risky, it's NFP. Honestly, I have to go to the bathroom too. Hopefully this works out quickly. Gotta make more money. Well, it's following finally what I say. It is working out quickly, thankfully. I mean, hopefully it continues and it doesn't do this, dilly-dally. I'd like it to, close cleanly below this, invert this now. The works. Whatever else. I don't really want it to sweep this and then reverse. Let's see a quick move now to the downside. Girl can ask. Here we are. We're up 50 points right now. No, 40 points, sorry. See what ES is doing here. We're at drop already. You have 2 minutes. It's fine. You got another minute. Yeah. Looks fine. I'm just impatient. Literally started working in my favor immediately, so I don't know why I'm so impatient. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm sorry. I'm in savage mode today. Okay, I'll have a drink of my water. We're up 50 points. You know, I hit that breaker for Valley Gap. That should have been like quick reaction, and it was. So now I'm just gonna put my stop at the high there, and now I'm barely risking anything anymore. Shouldn't come all the way back up here anyway. I'm up 68 points. See, I hit this low and then these data lows. Everyone's always like, Tanya, you're so greedy, but whatever. I don't care what you think. Minutes left in that 5-minute candle. It looks good. And this looks fine. Come on, bro. I just need you to puke now. Probably is gonna puke any second now. Yeah, one more minute in this 5-minute. It'll close. Lower. 5 more minutes in this 15-minute. Okay. Maybe patient. Next minute candle should puke though. And then I'll take a partial there. At that low. Okay? I'm not gonna be a little greedy monster today. See? Because I'm up 79 points. Yeah. Let's see. This 5-minute candle. Puke. Yeah, ES is breaking that low. I should just put my stop break even now, honestly. Yeah, I shouldn't come all the way back there anyway. There's no risk left on this. It's pretty chill. 30-second, let's go lower again from here. Break this. And then I should change this down here to 2. Yes, took this slow. I'm starting to get a little impatient here. I'll wait until this 5-minute candle's finished. You know, if it doesn't hit this by then, maybe I'll take a partial. So, 3 minutes. Giving it time to breathe, 30-second. Did hit this order block. Now it is rejecting, so let's see follow through now to the downside. Come on. Gotta coax her into doing it. You can do it, NQ. I believe in you. Bruh. I'm giving it, like I said, I'm giving it 2 more minutes. Otherwise, I might just book it because I'm up 70 points. I don't feel like holding on a retracement. It's retracing quite a bit here. Let's see. See how this candle finishes. I'm not worried about any small retracements still. My stop's at break even. Got a really good entry finally on this stream. Yeah, rejected again here. Now it should really dump. By 10, please. Please. Gotta make more money. Gotta get up. Gotta make more money. Yeah. Cool. Bruh, just dump for me. Yeah, 1 more minute and 20 seconds. I don't really feel like holding otherwise. Yeah, it looks like NVIDIA's going low. Right on time. Thank you. Finally, NQ. Great. It is bleeding on time. Okay. That's 100. Now we're up 110 points on the runner. So the one that broke that low, I am just going to trail my stop to the high of this 1 minute candle. Shouldn't retrace, it should just start distributing, Where are the haters now? Target smashed. Let's go. 120 points right there. Bang, bang, bang on NFP. What's up, chat? Can I get a W in the chat? That was like a killer trade. That was beautiful entry. Beautiful hold, beautiful exit. Hit the data lows there. Beautiful. Let me see. Where are we, chat? Lady Gangster's killer trade. Thank you. I didn't need the magic paintbrush today. Bro, did I not say by 10? And bam, 10 o'clock on the dot. Right here. 10. I said I needed this by 10 and it did. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? Mwah. Can't get much better than that. Can't get much better than that. All right. That was taken on PA accounts. So you see the difference between knowing when to do good conditions and not good conditions? Like, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Up $963 on each account. That's beautiful. Okay, let me put in the chat how to enter the giveaway. I'm very happy with this. Let me show you guys. Literally, like, you can't get much better than that. Said I'll take 4 micros, $960. Not bad, people. Not bad. Yeah? End up using chat. Yes, yes, yes. Let me put in the... Hey, Shay, what's up? Yeah, let me put in the chat how to enter the giveaway. Okay, obviously, step number 1 is you must be subscribed to this channel. And then step 2 is you must have a My Funded Futures account on their website. Literally have to go to the bathroom. I'll be back in a second. I freaking said I hope it works out quickly, and they did. I don't care. So yeah. Make sure you have a My Funded Futures account. The link is pinned right there. And then I'll put out the Google form when I come back. Is she journaling? Can't get enough of this skill set. It inspires me a lot. I hope so. And I think what I can do is like demonstrate when not to put on a trade and when is a good time to put on a trade, right? Like this one, it literally said breaker, fair value gap, stay below 50%. I was really even looking at this candle and it was staying below 50% of this one as well, pretty much. Right? This one a little bit now, but it's mostly looking at the 2-minute because it looked cleaner. You have 2 1-minute FEGs here. On the 2, it really, that's why I'm always flipping time frames, you know, this aligned. And you see where I entered is after. A lot, I mean, you could also just enter here. And I even, actually I think I did like a 3R or something. No, 2.5R. Where I measured it was even, if you just entered there, that would have been like a 2R anyway, if you put your stop above this breaker. I think I put mine like over here just to give it some more wiggle space, but it really just dropped quickly in our favor. So a lot of the times, if it does have a large FEG, you know, it's going to make a swing high in it or something. You don't have to enter right into it. A lot of times I do. And then, you know, I'm, you know, forced to sit in some drawdown and then also be, it's a more of a mental game then. But I've noticed, you know, sometimes you can wait to see if it stays in the bottom half and, you know, then you might even get a better entry. I'm happy with my entry today. I'll be right back, people. Be right back. I'm so excited. She hears it in the voice. Yeah, I mean, I've been waiting around all week for a good trade. So it feels good. Can't tell you much else. I'm going to be right back. I'm back. Where's everybody? They all fucking left after I got my trade. They took my signal and they left. What do I want to say? Yeah, we're gonna do the giveaway soon. Hit that like button. Why is there only 500 likes? There's only 500 likes. And I got a killer trade. That's sad. That's sad. There's like 2,000. There was 3,000 people, but 900 of them basically got their money and they left me. That's the price I pay for showing exactly my entry and saying exactly when I get in, right? They use me and abuse me. And then if I get a loss, then they blame me. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to be used by you. Sweet dreams are made of these. Okay. I'm giving away 50k starter accounts from my funded futures. Let me just see here. Basically, my work here is freaking... I'm very happy. And literally perfect trail, right? I learned this. I literally said on my story, and I said a couple times, watch the... I haven't watched many of ICT's live streams. Because, he even says, if you have your model, just you're done. Don't keep watching, don't overcomplicate things. But someone had mentioned when he shouted me out during his live streams, and I watched it, and he had some pretty good advice for trailing stops. I was happy because it was kind of an intermediate trader tip, right? If you're confident in your system and you're looking for higher targets and new low of day and things like that. So I recommend watching August 28th. His live stream from August 28th. It was an afternoon live stream, 1:30 to 2 p.m. So, I entered pretty much here. See on the one. What does that look like? Yeah, pretty much there. When I saw that wick, right? It's good. And staying within 50%. And then after I said it should take this low, after I took this low, I said it should quickly go for this. So simply trailed my stop to the top of this 1 minute candle. And we did quickly hit it, right? So are you using NinjaTrader? What's your copier? Yeah, I use NinjaTrader. My the trade copier I use is called Replicanto. I do have the link in my description for that. Essentially, it's a one-time payment. I don't know how much it is, $200 to copy trade your accounts, and you can copy trade between different firms. I'll show you here. 1 second. Let me make sure I'm good here. This is my what is it called? Where is my OBS right now? It's all copy traded between my funded futures, sim funded account, and my PA accounts on Apex. And now I'm not like other people that just end up adding all those together, because there's no point. You're gonna get in your head about it. That's why I kind of like copy trading multiple accounts. You're not kind of thinking, I'm risking 5,000 to make 10,000 or whatever. You're thinking more of, I'm risking 450 to make 900 or something, right? And that's proof that I do take my trades on PA accounts when I say most of the time, right? Like yesterday was an exception, day before NFP. That's like my worst day. So I traded eval yesterday. And that's on risk management, knowing when to put on the risk and when not to. I honestly do recommend, though, like beginners, probably shouldn't be trading NFP. It's just a fast market. It's tough. You see, like, there are larger ranges, very large ranges. Tanya, have you already withdrawn from MyFunded Futures? How's the experience? Maybe you have a video I haven't seen. Yeah, I do have a video. The MyFunded Futures payout process. I had a payout, like, my first payout with them was like 6 months ago, and I did put out a video. It's like it's the quickest one. They approve it in like a day, and then literally from Rise to your bank account, it takes like a day also or less. So that's the best part of that. You still have your Top Step one after making the 50? Yeah, I do still have it. You know what? But I realized, I mean, it's not connected right now. I still have it, and that's why I always have shitty fills. Today, it didn't freaking connect my Rhythmic because you have to put Rhythmic. If you have a live account versus the simulated, you're gonna get worse fills, obviously, and that's fine. But then, and you're also paying the monthly data. You're paying your professional trader just like 150, 180 a month or whatever. And you're almost like, and then you're not, sorry, in the middle of the trading session, 10:15 mental game reminder. So we took the low again from here, rejecting on, and now we're retracing again. I do wonder if this ends up being like an inversion to take this high now or something. But what was I trying to say? I was talking to my friend Patrick about this, actually. He was kind of like, if you're going to trade on a live account, it's better to just kind of do it on your own, because if you're trading with a firm on a live account, which is good if you don't have the capital, but if you have the capital to kind of fund your own, otherwise it's best to do simulated trading with a firm, because you're going to have to pay the professional trader data fee, and then also you're getting paid as you're also giving up 10%, right? You're getting 90-10 split, and you get worse fills, right? And then you're getting you're not getting the tax benefits because you're getting a 1099 form. If you're trading your own personal one, this is where it does come in handy, is that first off, you can withdraw whenever, right? And then you're getting the 60/40 tax benefit on it, right? So you're saving like, in the end, you're saving a good amount in taxes. I forgot, one time I did the percentage, or my friend did on like an example, but essentially 60% of the profits you make from futures, if it's on your own account, is going to be taxed as long-term gains, and 40% will be taxed as short-term. That's a smaller tax rate than being a 1099 contractor, right? But most people that are watching this don't really have to worry about that, because most people that are watching this are probably beginners, or they want to use, prop firms for leverage to not risk as much money. I totally get that. And it's really good if you're like adding multiple accounts. But that's my 2 cents on the live accounts. There's not much benefit on the Top Step one. It's the same thing as an expert. Pretty much like with the withdrawals, I'm pretty sure. Like it's the same thing. You have to have like 5 winning days. And then, but the good thing about MyFunded Futures, though, is that if you're moved up to a live account, you can take daily payouts. So that I really like about them. I've not been moved up with a live account for them yet, and I'm totally fine, because then I'm going to have to pay another professional data fee per month. But I do think they take it straight up out of your profits, like your account balance. There's a Top Step you have to pay for your like credit card. Which is whatever. Yo, start the giveaway. Tanya, you use NinjaTrader. That code is 825 discount for My Funded Futures or for Replicante. For My Funded Futures, it's already super cheap, right? It's no activation fee. Using my code is going to give you a bit of a discount, yeah. But other than that, they're not like adding another discount because there's no activation fee. What's the difference between PA and evaluation? Oh, you must be very new here. Maybe I'll make a video straight up on that. Straight up on futures, like prop firms. Eval is just an evaluation account. It's just a challenge, a test. You have to pass that to get a funded account or a PA account. And then you can withdraw from that, right? So if you're making money on an eval account, it doesn't really count towards anything until you pass it, and then you get upgraded to your PA account or Apex. That's what they call it. My Funded Futures calls it sim funded account. And then what does Topstep calls it? Express. They all want to call it different things, whatever. But essentially then, you're still trading on a simulated environment. Your orders aren't really going through to the real marketplace. So you're getting better fills in that sense, right? Because you're not fighting against that bid-ask spread, and when you're hitting whatever it is, when you're hitting the market, if you're hitting market order, I've gotten slipped, like 5 points every time. It's a lot, So then I'm like, okay, I have to do my limit. And then I've seen things like it not even fill me when it comes to my limit. Problems, those are the problems you end up facing when, here it's inverting this. It's probably going to go now for this high, honestly. We'll see. That's not a trade I'm going to take, but I'd like to observe this. Didn't close below this. Inverted. Not really breaking above this with a displacement this high, which is what, if I see an inversion, I'd rather see more of that. See on the smaller time frame, is there a displacement? Not even on the 30, so I wouldn't really take it, actually. There's a higher one here. Higher SIPI on the 30. So it could kind of take this again, this low again. See ES. ES hasn't hit the data low yet. Okay. I'm gonna start making the giveaway form now. And then I'll put it out in a few minutes. Are there any good questions? Let me know, like actual good questions. Not about my appearance, please. Or can you talk higher voice or some bullshit? Anyway, I'm not gonna say. The bullshit I deal with sometimes. You wear more makeup, it looks like you just rolled out of bed, bullshit like that. And I don't care. I'll roll out of bed and I'll freaking make $1,000 and go back to sleep. What trading's amazing for. But now we got better camera, better lighting. I've actually done that. I couldn't sleep one night. There's this video on my channel where I'm literally rolled out of bed, trade London session. This is an ugly grind lower ES, but let's see if it ends up hitting that data low. I don't know if it will. It could make an SMT. It was a good move to say I'm filtering this out, this trade out here, remember? What happened here? Oh, is this like, was I looking at, yeah, no, yeah. That's good. So, yeah, let's get started in the giveaway. More back testing and forward testing videos. You know what? I'm going to put on the giveaway like a question you guys have to answer about what kind of videos you want to see. Let me see. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, my assistant said that the setup looks good today. Okay. The mic and the sound, that's good. The mic and the camera. What was I doing here? Oh yeah. Bum bum bum. Thank you, Bilal Soba, for the donation. Someone's asking if they should copy my trades. No, don't do that. You have to know your own model. If what I'm saying, like, you're already looking at, then take the fucking trade. If what I'm saying is aligning with your own analysis, some people watch me because they like to hear my analysis, right? And it gives them more confidence in what they're looking at, right? Maybe they're in a short already before I am, and then I enter the short and they're like, lit, cool. It doesn't mean it's going to work out necessarily. We could both be wrong. That's what my advice is. Okay, good call on not. It's not going to reverse, and it's going lower. ES is going for that data low. Looks like, yeah. Time is at 10:24. So I was in this trade for. I'm going to journal this for a second. So in this trade for. Actually, let me do. I'm getting distracted for no reason. Okay, do the giveaway. That's what everyone's going to pester me about. They're here to for that, and also to see if I win or lose. Okay. Do 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 do. Ba-da-da-dum, bum bum bum. You guys, did I put the money goes to. Yeah, ES just took that data low. Very nice. Okay, good. Oh shit, okay. Alright, cool. I switched it now. I keep forgetting to add the fundraiser to the live streams. I think because I have to manually do it. Why can't YouTube give me an option to just have all my live streams? Let's see here. Where's YM, by the way? Okay, we're getting started on the giveaway. So we're giving away 7 50K starter plan accounts from MyFunded Futures. If you're interested, and get it in MyFunded Futures themselves, they are like the quickest in payouts. I will tell you that. You could also check my video on it, where I recorded the process. And you could use the code Tanya if you want to get your own account. Then it's only $76 for a 50K, and there's no activation fee, which is the best. So all in, $76. So let's see here. Google Forms. Yeah, so I'm going to put in write in the chat right now, actually, what kind of videos do you want to see in the future from me? Since now my setup is a bit more structured, and also my home is definitely looking better. I got new furniture, moved in people. Well, yeah, pretty much for the most part. Okay, let's see here. You must be subscribed to this channel. And you also have to have a My Funded Futures account registered on their website. There's no purchase necessary for the giveaway, but you have to have like your email signed up there. If you don't, then the link is pinned in the chat. Must be subscribed to Tanya Trades. Okay. First name. YouTube username. I'll ask you in the form email you used, and it will just be added to your account. I'm going to give them the email, and you don't have to do anything after if you win. You're a winner. Okay. And then I'm going to add multiple choice questions. What videos do you want to see more of? Okay. Option 1, trade breakdowns / recaps. Option 2, back testing / forward testing. Option 3, strategies on strategies / trade models. Wait, strategies on, yeah, just trading. Oops. Trading strategies. Models, bias, narrative. And then last one, vlogs. I doubt anyone's going to choose that. Well, some people do. Okay. You can only enter one time. Right? I'm about to put it in the chat. Limit to 1 response. If you don't, then you'll be disqualified if you win, because I'm going to check. And then that's it. Yeah, enter one time, and then we're going to enter giveaway here. And there you go. It's pinned now. Pinned in the chat. What's YM doing today? You want to know what's kind of interesting is on this channel, I've talked about Tesla on Wednesday, I think, or yeah, when it was going to go. I said it was going to go for those 4-hour highs, and it did, and it rejected right there. It works on stocks too, liquidity sweeps and reversals, you know? Right here. Gave a clue this morning also. Let me check my messages from my assistant on any good questions in the chat today. I'll have NQ open there. This was the trade we took, or I took. No one took it with me, in the sense of like no one was here coaching me. My entry is 86425. My take profit was 145 points, so shit. Yeah. 864 minus 721. Yeah. 142 points, people. Not bad at all. My first target was this. So my first target, I took half off at 1.86, and then the next is 2.65. So around like a 2.2, yeah. Cool. I should change the name of this stream then. Okay. Let's see how many responses we have in the giveaway. 851. Cool. We didn't even hit 1,000 likes. On this stream, it's 994. I won't start the giveaway until we get like 1,000 likes. Tanya, congrats on the 75k subs. Thank you. I appreciate it. Do you guys, who's here? Who's been around here for a while? Oh yeah, let me look at my assistant, what he wrote. Here we go. Tanya, can anyone explain why data high or low is a key level? It was the level that we have targeted for sell side. If there's an abnormal wick like this during news, took buy side, and then it had a break of structure, this is generally a good area to go for the data low. And I do credit Dodgy's Dudgeon, Dodgy's DD with basically figuring that out, like backtesting that and giving that information for free to people, right? Because I use that from just like him mentioning that. So sometimes you do learn from Twitter. Okay, Tin Hyun says, totally respect the patience you had the whole week waiting for the right time and right setup. I tend to be impulsive sitting on my hands, need to work more on that. Yeah, honestly, that's something that a lot of people struggle with. Even I have issues with impulsivity sometimes. Like, I'll get horrible fills. Or I'll get into a trade, there was no manipulation. This is the biggest issue most people have, actually. I think a lot of people, I don't know most, but this is how people get trapped. There's some kind of whatever. We didn't have a manipulation. We didn't take any kind of prior low. Oh, we start going towards the buy side liquidity. Oh, okay, let me get in here. Nope. You are the liquidity. Now it's gonna go. Running out of arrows here. You are the liquidity. Oh, now it went for buy side, you know? And especially in the afternoon sessions, people will trade the lunch. And then 1:30 manipulation happens. Like, backtest yesterday, 1:30 manipulation happened. I wasn't around, but I watched it. And then Tuesday, did the same thing. It starts leaking towards the sell side, the objective, and then it does manipulation. Okay. Okay, there's not much other questions. What is max stop loss point? Question mark, question mark, question mark. I don't know what that even means. On a day like NFP, you have to accept you're probably going to have a larger stop. Like my stop was literally like freaking 50 points, 40 points, whatever. I could have put it here actually, 38 points. But I wanted to account it for if it was going to wick this again. Because I've aimed for 144 points, it's really not a big deal. Just make sure you size appropriately. That's what people, they keep taking the same position sizing. They're still, like I took 4 micros and made $960, right? From 4 micros. There's people that are going to take 2 minis on everything, no matter if it's a 20-point stop or 40-point stop, and then they wonder why they're in drawdown after one trade, like, you know, one trade not doing well. Now they're in like a huge drawdown. There's a, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a video with kind of like the trading, I think this would be good for the community. Going over the trading view tools I use the most and like how to set them up. Like some people ask, how do I do this? Or how do I put midpoint in this? How do I whatever? This is really good for calculating risk. You can double click it, put in how much you want to risk, right? I put 450. Okay. I just put 100. No wonder this is like 0.04, right? 100% because whatever. You can put in your account size if you want. I just put how much I want to risk on the trade because I already know based on that. Or you can put in like, oh, it's a 50K account, I want to risk 1%. That's fine. You can then, and then you update it. And then you click OK. Literally now, according to your stop loss, it's going to tell you how much you should take. If you're on NQ, it says 0.4. That means you should take 4 micros. Let's say the stop is now smaller, 20 points. Now you can take 1 whole mini or 10 micros. Okay? And under the quantity. So let's see how many responses we have. Okay, I think we're ready to do the giveaway. I'll give you literally like 5 more minutes. No. Yeah, I'll give you 5 minutes. And I'll answer any more questions. I'll read the chat now. We're going to go for this low. I'll be quite impressed, NFP. This is the low I marked out on Monday. This is a week where we just went straight up, right? Monday didn't take out any sell side. We didn't take any daily candle, didn't really take out any sell side. That's why I have this as liquidity. So we'll see if that ends up happening. Quite the drop there. Dropped another. Hope I kept people safe against trying any longs here. You see that it was not validated. And it just dropped, dropping. Stay safe. Don't try to catch a falling knife, okay? No matter how like tempting it is. Always have a specific criteria for your reversals. If we're hitting a daily level, it's best that you just wait for a 5-minute shift in structure. If you have SIPPs above, it's even like less against you. It's even more against you. You're even doing a lower probability trade. If you're trying to enter a trade and there's, let's say, 15-minute SIPPs above, there's going to be speed bumps there, right? So, what's going on here? Yeah, I mean, we're just kind of melting. How much is NQ down today? Are we down like 2%? Yeah, we're down 2% on the day right now. NVIDIA, Tesla's down 5%. NVIDIA's down 4%. We were here. We caught the shorts live here on this channel. Let me see here. See, let me read the chat. Don't often read the chat. Patrick Onda says, question, you took one trade and out, yet the market still continues in your direction. I see you calm and not even thinking about any other trade. How do you keep your cool? Yeah, I guess, like, I've seen this before. Just experience. I've seen, like, huge candles print towards my direction more. And I didn't see any kind of entry, so why do I care? You have to, yeah, large candles are going to elicit some sort of emotional response in people. They're going to feel either FOMO, the stress, they're going to just feel more stressed out. It's natural. But if you see it happen so many times, then, you know, it literally is exposure therapy, right? You're exposing yourself to watching this, and you're practicing. It's good practice to watch it print. I mean, it's totally fine that I didn't hold more. This was my full target. I'm happy. And I probably, had I still had, like, I don't think I would have, I think I probably would have gotten stopped. Let's see, did it hit the high here? Yeah. If I held one more runner, I probably would have gone stopped out on a trailer here. Anyway. The market moves like this all the time. You see, you want to be involved when the market looks like this, like the hourly is following when it's distributing, right? Look at the 15-minute candles. There was no wave. I was never in any drawdown. Versus this kind of market, accumulation. And we knew that this was going to happen. We talked about it all week. Like, it's going to be ugly. Why? Because the market is essentially waiting for large news to hit, right? So why would it really move that much? It was seek and destroy, taking low and then the high. You kind of have to accept whether, if you want to trade that, then take smaller risk sizing or don't risk it at all. I took an eval yesterday. I didn't take any trade here. Tuesday was wild. It's a day after a holiday. Tuesday dumped so much. Then day after a large day, you could also anticipate small day. And then day before NFP, you can also anticipate. So you can look at a daily. We had 2 small body candles. That's indicative of a hard market. That's a hard market to day trade, right? We ended near the open. We wicked both sides. Versus one-way directional market, you're like, okay, yeah, you're right. There's a trend, right? It's a classic sell day or whatever it is. We don't end up near the open again. We don't just continue. So has it been 5 minutes? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to start the giveaway. Okay, if you win the giveaway, it'll just be added to your account that you put there. Okay, 1,200 likes, cool. We'll do the giveaway now. Wow, Google Forms looks cuter. They updated the UI or something. Good amount of you want to see vlogs. Okay, I was not thinking about that. Was not anticipating that. Okay. How many people entered? 1,121. Okay, let me put it on my screen so that no one accuses me of rigging. It's like so funny. I always look at the comments after and everyone's like, the other people saying it's rigged, even though I do a random number generator in front of everybody. And then also people that are just sad for themselves. I never win anything. Victim mentality. Don't do that, please. Never have a victim mentality. No one likes that either. Okay. Let me pull it up here. Yeah, we're good. Just making sure I took out the, So it goes to 1121. So it's 2 to 1121. We're doing 7 of them. I'm gonna lose count. Let me make a tally. Can't do everything. Okay. First one, 1036. Okay. Congrats to where's it? 1036. Kunal 3675. Number 2. Congrats to lucky number 772. Congrats to Sifiso lucky 992. It's your lucky day. There you go. You see, not a victim mentality. They freaking named themselves lucky. They're lucky. That's actually cool, right? Please check Zhao USD. Bro, I don't really trade gold. Okay. That was number 2. Number 3. Number 38. It's 1050 silver bullet. I think it's just going to continue bleeding lower towards that August 12th low. Okay. What was it? I already forgot. 38. Okay. Congrats to Titus M1141. Nice. Well, you guys, was that was number 3, right? They didn't put the tally mark. Yeah, we had the lucky, we had Titus, and we had Kunal. Okay. 799, that's number 4. Hey, I focused when I needed to focus. The most was the trade. This thankfully is more forgiving. 799. Let me just double check that also. Yeah. Congrats to Sky. Sky SCB. Okay. Number 5, 873. Congrats to Changyu Li. Okay. Number 6, winner number 6. 116. Congrats to Brett Diadi. Brett. Congrats to Brett. Oh, yellow. Okay. Last one. Who's the last winner? 131. Congrats to Gary. G. Elliott 73. Okay, great. So obviously I didn't expose your emails here, but I do have your emails on another sheet. And I will give the winner's emails to the My Fun Futures team, and it will just be added to your account probably later today. So let's watch if this August 12th low gets hit by 11:10. Thanks for 75K subscribers, everyone. It's been a wild ride. We started live streaming December 18th, I think. Now it is September 6th. I started a YouTube channel like mid-October. On your first time, or how are you? I'm good. I'm great. Really. You guys like the glasses? That's why I'm wearing contacts. I need to wear contacts so I can wear these glasses later, you know? Can't have glasses on glasses. This is still looking at my screen. One said the probability of winning was 0.03. 0.083%. That's pretty good. One in 1,000, 1 in 1,100 is a pretty good odd, honestly. Or like 8, right? Or no, 7. Oh my gosh. 7 divided by 1. Yeah. So it's literally 0.6%. That's pretty good odds. Better than the lottery system. $76 value. And my favorite thing is actually someone tagged me. They took out like a $1,500 payout from a giveaway they got from me on one of my streams. That makes me happy. So like you could win whatever you take out from the market. But I do advise to the winners, don't treat it like it's a lottery ticket, like a scratch lotto. Be wise on the trades you take. Yeah, just like melted lower, right? What can I do? Got my money there. There's no FOMO at all. You have to also remember there's going to be always another trade. So don't let like some huge candles make you feel like another trade will never happen. The market always retraces, It doesn't just move straight down. Today's NFP, it's going to move wider range than usual. Keep going after your take profit. But, don't let that distract you from the next trade. Each trade is unique. So we're the 9:30 open. Since the 9:30 open, we moved 420 points. And I caught like 140 of that. Yeah, that's not bad. I caught a third of the daily move. That's pretty good. So we hit that August 12th low. ICT has a hard day. Oh, we didn't have a hard day on the stream, thankfully. We use ICT concepts as well. Would you say that the afternoon would be tradable today? Let me think for a moment. Took this weekly low, yeah. Took this weekly low. My criteria to trade afternoons is a little note here, because you can get caught up trading the afternoon in just like a rangy, ugly session, right? And they're always slower, so I'd rather be in it if it's a fast moving market. So first, my sleep score has to be above 70. Or I have to just ask myself the question, what's my sleep score? Because like honestly, if you're trading, you have a bad night of sleep and you trade the morning session, you're really fatigued by the afternoon. Okay, number 2, do I have strong conviction on a daily/weekly drawn liquidity? I don't really see anything more as my draw liquidity here after this. And then number 3, did we have a manipulation yet? If not, then I am the liquidity, right? It has to be like a 5-minute break in fair value gap present, essentially. Doesn't mean I'm entering the 5-minute, but that just indicates it's a clean marketplace, right? So, let me see on Tuesday what happened here. I mean, we're having like no retracement. It's kind of crazy. Tuesday by 11, we had moved 9th. Wow, that's a lot. It moved 50 points. And then it sort of just hung around. You see this 130 little manipulation here. During lunchtime, it started dripping lower. Anyway, and then it had another crazy move down, honestly. I wasn't around for that. No, I don't really. I think it could be, but NFP, it already had a huge range. Let's see other NFPs. Like the first Friday of the month, right? So I believe probably this Thursday. Was this NFP or was this Jackson Hole? When was Jackson Hole? I feel like that was actually a couple weeks ago. We did really good there. Let me see. I like it. That's a good question you're asking me today. What is it? What am I thinking about right now? Yeah, I'm looking at other NFPs, previous NFPs. So let's see if the one in August was. Yeah, that was the other one. So basically, it went for this swing low, and then it kind of was finished. So what happened that day? Oh, that was the gap. Oh no, then we gapped down Sunday. What? Oh, okay. Oh, that was a day on NFP. We already had dropped so much during London, right? Oh no, Thursday was a huge drop. And then Friday. Why does it look like that? It's not even, if on the daily it's not that big. But it is. Okay. Or maybe because it goes until the heck? I'm just kind of weirded out right now. 794. 962. Oh yeah. It starts from 6 p.m. Okay. So we already had that drop during Asia. And then we chopped around after hitting that. Honestly, most of the times NFPs are like seek and in a sense it's seek and destroy on steroids, in the sense that it'll take buy side, sell side, buy side, sell side, buy side, or in this case, sell side, buy side, sell side, right? Did that happen today during Asia? Probably, right? We had taken out some, yeah, sell side. NFP took out sell side first, or I don't even know. I wasn't there to watch the candle form. Wreaking havoc. Probably sell side first. Yeah. I don't know. I don't really have further expectations for today. We hit this low. Oh. Interesting. Where it bounced, right? So random. I wouldn't really try a reversal. I think it could stay within a range. The reason why I wouldn't really try a reversal is just you have so many SIBIs above. I would really demand like a 5-minute shift and inverting some SIBIs, right? I'd have to like come all the way up back here, and that's unlikely. I think we're probably going to range or grind lower. September is seasonally bearish. So did anyone else notice this? My friend pointed this out on the daily here. in this daily fair value gap on Thursday, we did have an SMT where ES never reached back into it. And we're dropping lower from here. In the coming weeks, if we close below this, well, today we'll see if we close below this. If we close below this, you know, this is in the cards. If we close below this daily FEG. September is seasonally bearish, you know. So then, yeah, I don't have high expectations for the afternoon. Except I want us to close below this candle today. And that doesn't mean it has to. So I wouldn't really use that as a draw. Lucy, where is this? Yeah, well, that's pretty. So as long as it doesn't rally 200 points and close above that, you know? Otherwise, you know, you have these two 15-minute civvies holding things down, right? Pulling things, you know. I would not be trying a reversal unless it was clean 5-minute displacements and inversions. You look at that wick. So this was a nice, like, bounce from that level in the meantime, but it doesn't mean it's going to respect it the whole time, you know? Use a daily level, it's better to use 5-minute. Let me see. Any other questions before I end the stream here? Anyone know why the market sold today? Why does it matter? What's maximum capital allocation rule? You can have up to 3 funded accounts with them, and you can have 150K, so you can have 3 150K accounts. What's this shaded green? I take the GAN box, and I just put 0, 0.5, and 1. So I think I'll make a video about which tools I use and how I set them up in case other people want to use it. This is what it is, the GAN box. If I just want to see a quick equilibrium thing, I'd rather do that. If I don't care too much about the exact price, I'd rather do that than use my fib. Put my fib on this side because long and short term tools look too similar. Then using a fib and then double clicking and then changing it to 0.5, you know. This is just way faster and you need to be fast. Why was I looking for shorts today? Should I do a trade review of today's trade? Maybe I'll do that. Can I talk about strategies for passing evaluations? Silver bullet. Or do you mean like risk? I have a video on risk management. Take whatever, the best thing for you to do is take whatever drawdown you have, max drawdown, divide it by 10, and that's going to be your risk per trade. You need 10 losing trades in a row to blow that account, so. Tanya, my girlfriend is jealous that I'm making money with you. Then you should buy her a gift. Buy her a purse. You guys want to... I don't know if I don't think I'll say it. I was going to say a story at the beginning of the stream. Now there's only 1,500 people. But I don't think I will. Let me see here. Thank you, Castillo. He just linked the URL in risk management. You guys, what should I do for this background here? I just have my gradient background. Or should I do a thing where, you know, let me think. Or should I do a thing where it's like, I don't know, kind of like, let me see here. Or should I do a thing where it's like this when I'm in a position, and then I click this, and like I'm in a background like this, full screen? This is ugly ass, like, gray. But the thing is, like, you know, I'm doing my analysis on TradingView and executing on Ninja, so I think people rather would see my analysis during the position, right? Tesla, honestly? Look at that. That was, like, so good. Nvidia left that, but on Friday, it literally called the high. That was crazy. It was too weak. It left all this balance price range. It never even reached back into it on the 4. Nvidia's going for this. I'm still bearish NQ. Right, someone left a good comment yesterday, actually. Being like, you know, Tanya, why did you try longs yesterday if you were bearish for the week? And we took some buy side. And yeah, I mean, that's actually a really good point. That's probably why the trade didn't work out. I was just looking for more buy side. And that's why you kind of protect your capital by taking it on an eval day before NFP, right? I announced I would do that, but and you just have to take the loss. Don't let the loss affect the next day, the next trade. I'm still bearish. So don't get hurt today, please. I don't think that, do you visualize today, right? If you're thinking of a reversal long, do you visualize today's daily candle to end with a huge wick? I don't. I don't see a reason for it, right? There's not really a huge time frame level. Here it was taking out some failure swing lows. Didn't take out that low, but whatever. That makes sense why it was a wick, you know. Here, paused in these FEGs, right? Here it's not pausing anywhere. So just be careful today. I think that's the very least I help people with is please don't be a degenerate. Let me see what people are saying. Yeah, yesterday's long didn't play out because we already slept previous day high and sold off from that zone. Exactly. Yeah, we hit previous day high. I should have taken it on the 5 and I just wasn't paying attention. I also wasn't focused, right? I was up 40 points and I just didn't even, I should have moved my stop at least. But, you know, that's what happens when you're not so focused and you're also kind of like not as emotionally tied to the trade because it's an evaluation. Even though I try to take it seriously, I think that I just wasn't focused. I didn't have a good night's sleep, and that's okay. That's okay. Then you put in certain measures to protect yourself. I think this is one thing also. People do not, this is actually kind of good tips I'm about to say, right? People don't talk about real-time strategies to do. Like actual real-time strategies for trading, right? They're just like, don't let the last trade affect the next one, right? They just say bullshit. Like, accept the risk. What does that mean? You know, he doesn't accept the risk. How are you going to accept the risk? Like, how are you actually mentally, what are you going to do? Don't be impulsive. That's some bullshit. Just don't do it. There's like, okay, what do I do not to be impulsive, not to close a trade early? I literally go like hands off the mouse. I literally put my hands up, right? That's an example of real-time strategy. Another thing, if you're impulsive and tend to buy like the highs of candles, like force yourself to use only limit fills, right? Or only buy bid or something. Like don't hit buy market. You're going to get the worst fill ever. Let's see another real-time strategy, right? The 10-15 mental game alarm I have every day. Just a little thing to ground myself, right? Or a little reminder in case I am kind of tilted or like in a spiraling. There's like an outside force now coming in, disrupting that thought loop, even if for like a minute now. And then that's like a reminder. That's like another real-time strategy, right? The other real-time strategies are like the software I use to close my trading down, which I will do now, actually. I'll just literally show you guys who are sticking around here. It's called Cold Turkey. I think I paid $30 for it. No, I don't have a code for this. Then I have blocks, and then I click trading days over. All I do is this, and then it's going to close my trading view and automatically it's going to close my trading view and my, right here, see? My NinjaTrader. And now if I try to open trading view again, I think it opens and then it immediately closes it, or it doesn't even let me. It doesn't even let me, yeah. Now I'm more pink because of this background, okay? That's what I do. Like, there's not going to be any more trading for me today. Other things are like, you know, you have to go for a walk, maybe write something. Real-time strategy, maybe like have a little notebook. I think there's one time like I wrote shorts only today, right? It's a little reminder. So there's little things to do. I think maybe I could make a video on that. I feel like that's the most important thing. I think there's too much, otherwise, you know. Do I trade on PC or Mac? I trade on PC, and I don't, because NinjaTrader is only on PC unless you want to like buy the Mac version. I think it's like a monthly thing to trade on your phone and Mac. I don't do that. I make it that way on purpose. Like I cannot trade on my phone or my laptop, or else I'm going to be fucking around. Let's be honest. Like, I'm going to be just like, oh, this looks good. Maybe I'll just buy it. Like, and it's on a smaller screen. I have bad eyesight anyway. Like some people trade on their phone all the time. Good for you. But I have like a specific space, a specific area I can only take trades from, like my little space station here. You know, I have 4 monitors. You don't need 4 monitors. I have them because I started trading stocks. And I also have I'm a streamer now. So, you know, one of the screens is like either chat or OBS, right? So, I don't even know what was I doing. Anyway, have a good, any series I recommend for the weekend? I thought you meant like a show at first. Okay, yeah. People that are here listening, sure, I'll give you a couple of good things that I might put in a video and you're getting sneak peeks. The best one, Market Maker Primer series to start with. Okay. Scout Sniper series. 2022 series. 2022 mentorship. Those are my top 3. I need to use NinjaTrader Footprint. No, I don't use Footprint. Why do I do analysis on TradingView and trade on NinjaTrader? That's a good question. For TradingView, I've been using it forever, right? So, and I like their UI. I know I'm spending more money on that, but it's just easier for me to see things. And for NinjaTrader, why I don't like trading and executing on TradingView. I feel like it lags and it drives me insane. There was like one time where I did try it just on evals here. I feel like NinjaTrader is faster executions, in my opinion, on just like the way the platform works. And I've seen that the candles print milliseconds faster than the TradingView one, right? And it's just, what I really love, the biggest thing actually, is I really love their ETM strategy. Where you can just hit like buy bid, buy market, and then it automatically puts a stop loss that you preset on that little template and take profit. So you can have like 20 point stop loss, let's say 50 point take profit, or 50 point stop loss, 100 point take profit automatically just pop up, and then you can just move the lines. I haven't been doing that recently just because we've seen like some Tradevate issues happen where just the things freeze, right? And that's a Tradevate issue. Where do I trade my Top Step account? Also on NinjaTrader. Just didn't connect Rhythmic today. I do Rhythmic on Top Step, and then I do Tradevate on everything else. That's also a sneak peek to another video I have to do to make Replicanto work, right? You can't do Tradevate on Top Step because then you can't connect other Tradevate accounts on NinjaTrader. I don't know why. They have some old version. So you have to do Rhythmic with that. And on NinjaTrader, you also can't have more than one Rhythmic connection. But you can have as many Tradevate connections you want. Why? Because they own Tradevate, right? They bought them out. That's probably why they do that. So then everything else I do Tradevate or TradingView, it's the same thing, right? And then, if you want to, you can trade on Tradevate. You have different options, and you can trade on. It's interchangeable between NinjaTrader. You just hook up. You just click account credentials, configure, and then you click NinjaTrader, and then you put in your Tradevate credentials there, and you're fine. But yeah, and then the other two. I forgot the end of that sentence. I think that was it, right? Anyway. Hi from Taiwan. Hi. Please Turkish subtitles. I don't know how to do that. That's it. I think that's all for today. Have a great weekend, everyone. We'll be back next week. I'm not going to trade Monday, so see you back Tuesday at 9:15 a.m. Bye.